Important places for UPSC explains the continents and oceans, big lands and big waters. 7 continents, big pieces of land. Asia, the biggest land. Lots of different people and cultures live here. Think of China and India. Africa, a hot place with lots of animals and natural things like gold and diamonds. North America, where the United States and Canada are. Very modern and powerful. South America, a place with big rainforests and mountains. Think of Brazil and the Amazon. Europe, a place with old buildings and many different countries close together. Australia, a big island with unique animals like kangaroos. Antarctica, the coldest place, covered in ice. 5 oceans, big bodies of water. Pacific Ocean, the biggest ocean. Very wide and deep. Atlantic Ocean, a busy ocean with lots of ships going between America and Europe. Indian Ocean, important for trade between Asia and Africa. Southern Ocean, around Antarctica, very cold. Arctic Ocean, at the very top of the world, covered in ice. Important straits, narrow waterways. Malacca Strait, a narrow path for ships between Asia. Very important for trade. Hormuz Strait, a narrow path for oil ships in the Middle East. Very important for oil. Gibraltar Strait, a narrow path between Europe and Africa. Palk Strait, a narrow path between India and Sri Lanka. Important mountain ranges, big hills. Rockies, big mountains in North America. Andes, long mountains in South America. Alps, mountains in Europe, good for skiing. Himalayas, the biggest mountains in the world, where Mount Everest is. Urals, mountains that separate Europe and Asia. Important rivers, long waters. Nile, the longest river in the world, in Africa. Amazon, a very big river in South America, with lots of water. Mississippi, a big river in the United States. Danube, a river that goes through many countries in Europe. Volga, a long river in Russia. Mekong, a river that goes through many countries in Southeast Asia. Geographical hotspots, important places on Earth. Ring of Fire, lots of earthquakes. A circle around the Pacific Ocean where many earthquakes and volcanoes happen. Coral reefs, colorful underwater places. Great Barrier Reef, a big colorful reef in Australia. Belize Reef, another beautiful reef in the Caribbean. Tropical rainforests, hot, wet forests. Amazon rainforest, the biggest rainforest in South America. Congo rainforest, a big rainforest in Africa. Southeast Asian rainforests, many forests in countries like Indonesia and Malaysia. Important geopolitical locations, places with world importance. South China Sea and disputed islands, many countries fighting. A sea where many countries argue about who owns the islands. Very important for ships. Persian Gulf and oil-producing nations, where oil comes from. A place where many countries have lots of oil. Very important for the world's energy. Arctic and Antarctic regions, cold places changing. Arctic, the top of the world, where ice is melting. Antarctic, the bottom of the world, also covered in ice. These places are important because they show how the world's weather is changing. Also, many countries want the resources that are appearing as the ice melts. Why are these places important? They help us understand the world. They are important for trade and travel. They are important for the environment and weather. They are important for world politics and how countries work together. I hope this simple explanation is helpful.